Today we are here at the Beekeeping Expo. Putting lancet frame in AŽ Hive is the wrong idea. We'll check beekeeping equipment and tools, the best honey extraction machines, and perhaps we'll find something interesting for our apiary. This is the best honey extraction machine on the market as far as I know, because it enables you self-rotation of the frames from one side to another, and has also programmable electronics inside, so you can adjust everything what you want, and it is very handy. Last time we did some cleaning of the old comb with the remains of the wax, but this machine, when you put inside frames, it's sweeping out all hot wax, and then frames are very clean. Okay, we have hives that we want to paint in front, and it's good to put some pictures, maybe some ornamentals on the front board, but in the past they made really nice funny pictures and put that in front of the hive. Here we have some very interesting equipment for honey manipulation. It has also some heating pad and might be a little pricey, but worth to get it because it's saving you time and also to take care for quality of honey. This suit is great because it has 3 layers, and those layers disable that bees could sting, but it's very airy, so the air is going through. So beekeepers really enjoy to use it in hot weather. Very nice hive tool for cleaning the bottom of the hive. It could go inside and getting also some corners. So it's very good one. We will buy one. This is 3-level AŽ hive. You can have 1 brood chamber and 2 honey chambers, or 1 honey chamber and 2 brood chambers. So it's you can develop strong colonies, but you can also extra space for honey if there is good pasture. Some new beekeepers think that AŽ hive is just something that you put frames inside, but it's very important what kind of frame. Putting lancet frame in AŽ hive is the wrong idea. Here we have original element plus 3 AŽ hive, increasing the volume of the hive, and has some extra frames at the back. So we can extend the colony on more frames, but in case it's not good pasture, there can be a slower number of the frames. So many interesting solutions are here. In a window, as we call it, we can remove it and see extra frames at the back. And the middle frame has some extra connectors that are separating those 3 frames on the proper side, as we see here. This guy has also extra volume feeder. I think it contains nearly 5 liters of solution, can be put at the back. Inside is also a floater for bees that they are not drowned. One of Slovenian producers of IT equipment is preparing different kind of electronic tools that you can use in a hive, along with the scale, also different kinds of sensors, and I have ambition to use maybe cameras to monitor activity of the bees. We finished it, we visited this fair, we observed a lot of new equipment, some more interesting, some less. Got even a new piece of equipment for apiary. We wanted something bigger, but was not able to get it, so we got some new fresh ideas for our work. So follow us next time.